I'm back with another YouTube video. This here is my pan. It's 3 cans of great value. I baked it for like 2 hours on low. It was only on like 300. And then I put it in the freezer for maybe an hour and a half, maybe 2 hours. It's kind of moist on the top of that, what you can expect when you bring hot stuff out the oven and sit in the freezer. But this is my results. Let me see what we got going on here. I be loving these great value chunks. But yeah, the chunks are good. They kind of squeaky at the top. And it's the great value bread. Their chunks be different to me than Argo. But I just want to bring y'all a little video. Was out to start, so I had to make me some. Excuse the background kids. But yeah. This is my great value. And again, there's 3 of them. It's a quick video. I didn't have no sashimi today, so I decided to do something real quick. They more squeaky. Yeah, they more squeaky. Why? I don't know. Great value usually come out chunkier, crunchier. But if I can get up to 1,000 subscribers, I got this real big pot that I've been dying to fill with Argo. If I can get to 1,000 subscribers, I will definitely make the big pot that I usually be making my seafood boil with. I will make a video of filling that whole pot up with Argo, and sharing my results with you all. But I have to get 1,000 subscribers to do that. Well, yeah, this is my video. But if you like my video, please hit the like button. Also leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload another video, which will be soon, because this don't have too much chunks, crunches. The crunches are not as heavy as I thought they would be, and I don't know why. Great Value give me a nice little crunch. So yeah, I probably won't eat all this. I'll probably make another Argo, because I need that crunch. Y'all know how I feel. You want that crunch and you don't get it. But yeah, this is my Great Value. It was baked for about 2 hours and put into the freezer for another probably hour, maybe 2. And this is my results. Top layer is kind of powdery and soft and squeaky, but under it has like the nice little crunch that I like. But yeah, once again, if you like the video, please don't forget to hit the like button and leave me a comment. Also subscribe and hit the notification bell, and you'll see the next video that I post, and it'll be soon. I eat cornstarch almost every day. Well, not almost. I have to eat it every day. It's just, I don't know. I can't go with my days without eating it. But yeah, that's my video. These are my Great Value chunks. There's more here. I didn't go in and break up everything. But yeah. Like I said, if I get 1,000 subscribers, I will make the biggest pot that I have. And I have a real big pot that I make my seafood boils in, that I've been dying to really want to fill it with cornstarch and bake it and see what kind of big mountain chunks I can get, because I want that big old mountain crunchy chunk, that mouth watery chunk. But yeah, that's my video. You all have a wonderful and blessed night, and talk to you all later.